Web3 TV.
Banking giants now forecast at least 2 interest rate cuts in 2025. Also, Fireblocks unveils a $200 billion stablecoin opportunity. What does this all mean for you? We're here to break it down. I'm Adel Burton, and you're watching Crypto TV. Bank of America now assumes 2 25 basis Federal Reserve cuts in September and December. Goldman Sachs is even bolder, predicting 3 cuts throughout the year. Citigroup matches with 75 basis points total, scheduled across September, October, and December. These moves follow a disappointing August jobs report, which saw just 22,000 new positions added, far below expectations. Lower rates boost liquidity, which often flows into risk assets like crypto. Could these cuts ignite a bull run for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins? Before we head to our next story, let's take a look at the crypto markets. Over to you, Krista.
Hey there, gorgeous people. Ready for another ride through the markets? This is your weekly Crypto Bubbles forecast, where the charts get hotter and the bubbles, they just keep rising. This week's seductive highs. Meme Core was the star of the show, pumping a breathtaking 183%. WorldCoin made hearts race with 51.3%, and Pump.Fun turned up the heat at 40.2%. These tokens are giving full-on passion vibes, steady, strong, and quite irresistible. This week's chilling lows. World Liberty Financial slipped away at 25.3%, Cyrus dropped 14.8%, and Kronos froze out at 6.3%. The chemistry faded fast, leaving traders out in the cold. That's your sultry market update. Highs that make you tingle and lows that leave you longing. For the real-time romance of the market, cozy up with the weekly time frame and refresh those tickers every Monday. I'm Krista 2 Moons. Back to you, Adele.
Thank you, Krista. On to more news. Institutions just got a straight-fire way to manage stablecoin payments at scale. Fireblocks just released its Network for Payments, a new platform that connects banks, fintechs, and payment firms to over 100 countries and 60-plus currencies via a single API. It simplifies stablecoin transfers, on-off ramps, and remittance flows while embedding compliance checks, like anti-money laundering and sanctions screening, right into the network. The company says it's already powering $200 billion in monthly stablecoin transactions. At the same time, the SEC is speeding up crypto integration with plans to allow digital asset trading on regulated exchanges and offer new safe harbors. Can these infrastructure gains and regulatory shifts finally put crypto payments on par with traditional finance? So, Krista, do you think rate cuts will be a push to invest in crypto?
Well, Adele, so basically this will be a push and pull situation. It may lead people to push hard and invest in crypto, but on the other hand, if you pull out early today, you might miss out on juicy gains.
That's an interesting take. True. Rate cuts tend to motivate investors to invest in more, I would say, less risky assets like gold and metals because they don't fluctuate too much. But with rate cuts being on speculation, the other way is that people are also expecting a sell-off in October to cash out their gains. What do you think of that?
I would say that people should invest more on, like golds, or why not metal, or for us, ladies like me should invest in a bag.
Interesting. That's very interesting. Well, I'll definitely keep my eyes peeled for that. It's always good to diversify, isn't it?
Yes, Adele.
Well, I'm Adel Burton.
I'm Krista 2 Moons, and you are watching Crypto TV.
Web3 TV.